Lumalabs have just recently released Ray 3, and they are claiming it to be one of the greatest improvements in AI videos. It is changing how everyone looks at AI videos, from something people create just for fun to something that can actually rival billion-dollar movies. And today, I'm going to show you how to use this AI model completely free. Now, Lumalabs are calling it the world's first video model that uses reasoning to generate visuals. This means it actually thinks before creating the scene, which is incredible. On top of that, it can also generate videos in HDR, which is another amazing feature. The examples you're seeing right now are generated using Luma Ray 3, and as you can see, the motion looks incredibly smooth and realistic. Motion is one of Ray 3's biggest strengths, as it can create lifelike, natural movements even in high-speed scenes. Most other video generators struggle with this, often turning fast-paced action into slow motion by default. Today we're going to test it ourselves and see just how good it really is, completely free. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, now we won't be using any third-party platforms or anything else because Luma is giving free access to test out Ray 3, and we'll be using that. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, it will take you to this interface. From here, you need to click on Start a Board, and this is the main interface where you can generate everything. This is the prompt section where you can write your prompt. If you click here, you'll be able to see all the options. You can generate images, videos, use the keyframe feature to create awesome transitions, and it also has image reference and video modifier, which is really great. First, let's test the text to video option of Ray 3. So I'll choose video from here. Next, you can set the aspect ratio. I'll keep it at 16:9. Then there's the resolution section, but for that, you'll need to purchase a plan. From here, you can also choose the model. As you can see, all the other models are under the paid tier, except Ray 3 for now. After that, you can set the number of generations and video length if you want, but I'll keep them as they are. Now let's give it a prompt. I'll paste the prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. As you can see, it looks nice, not something outstanding, but not too bad either. The one thing I'm liking the most about this video is how smooth and natural the motion looks, which is pretty rare in most video generators. The surroundings are also blending and moving with the main object nicely, without any distortion or morphing, which is great. Overall, I think this is a solid video. Here's another video generated using the same prompt with Kling 2.1. Let me know which one you think is the winner. Let's try one more. This time I'll give it this prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. Wow. This video looks incredible. It was able to capture the prompt really well. And the result is impressive. The motions are smooth, and there's little to no distortion, even when the objects are moving through the forest, which is a very good sign. Overall, this one is also an excellent video. And now let's test the image generation feature of Luma and then turn those images into videos with Ray 3. First, we need to switch the mode to images from here. Next, let's give it a prompt. I'll write the prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. You can see it has generated 4 different images, and they look really good. I honestly didn't know Luma had such an impressive image generator. If you want, you can even use Luma just as your image generator, because as you can see, the results look really, really good. Now, let me show you how you can turn these images into videos. First, select an image, let's go with this one. Then click on the Make Video option. Here, you'll need to enter a prompt. I'll give it a simple prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. Wow. Just look at this, folks. The video looks absolutely incredible. The motions are so realistic, and Luma was able to analyze the image and the prompt, and based on that, it created this video. Honestly, it looks like something straight out of a National Geographic documentary, doesn't it? Really impressive. And if you come back here, you can even see the AI's thought process and reasoning behind the video, which is super cool. Let's try something else. For this image, I'll give it this prompt and hit generate. And here's the output. Just as expected, the images look outstanding. I really like this one, so let's turn it into a video. For the prompt, I'll paste this one and hit generate. And here's the output. This video also looks incredibly good. Most importantly, you can see that Luma has kept character face consistency throughout the video, which is really impressive. Everything else looks natural and smooth as well. And now, let me show you the coolest feature of Luma Ray 3, the start and end frame option. With this, you can create some truly awesome VFX effects. To use it, select the keyframe feature from here. After that, upload your start and end frame images. I've uploaded these two images that I generated using Nano Banana. Next, you can give it a prompt if you want, but I'll keep it empty this time and just hit generate. And here's the output. Wow. Look at that, folks. This looks absolutely incredible. Luma Ray 3 has done a fantastic job, and the transition looks super smooth too. Before, you would have had to spend a lot of money and time to create a VFX shot like this, but now you're literally just one prompt away. That's crazy to think about. So there you have it, folks. Luma Ray 3, completely free to use right now. I'm not entirely sure what the generation limit is, but I've been using it for 2 days and haven't received any notifications about limits. Of course, it won't stay free forever, so make sure you take full advantage of this tool while you still can. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.